Okay, selamat datang ke explanation. Okay, hari ini kita akan sambung Kedah Kertas Percubaan Kedah 2018 paper 2. Ini kertas 2. Okay, so today going to answer for section B and section C. Okay, let's see section B. You are going to answer 4 questions. Each question is 10 marks. Okay, so we will do all the questions. 7A. In a school, 40% of the students are wearing glasses. If 10 students are chosen at random, can you find the probability that more than 8 of them wearing glasses? Okay, sini dia cakap yang pakai gelas mata punya adalah 40%. Means that P is 40%. Okay, kamu kena ingat P, small P. P maksudnya yang pakai glasses. Okay, I write English with glasses. So with glasses is 0.4. So how about Q without glasses? 0.6. Yes, without glasses, 0.6. Then the question asks you, if 10 students are chosen, 10 maksudnya N ada 10 orang. Find the probability that more than 8 of them wearing glasses. So kebarangkalian dia nak lebih daripada 8. Is it include 8? Not include, right? More than 8. So maksudnya 9 people yang pakai glasses ataupun got 10 people is wearing glasses. Maximum 10 because we got 10 people only maximum. Okay, so how we do? This is binomial. Okay, so kita guna NCR. So 10 C9 and then P is pakai glasses. Got 9 people is wearing glasses. Then Q got how many not wearing? 1 is not wearing. Okay, 9 is wearing, 1 is not wearing. N or it's not N or ataupun 10 people, we got 10 people wearing glasses. 10 ada 10 yang pakai. So 0.4 power to 10. Then 0.6 will power to 0. Okay, because it's no people is not wearing glasses. Okay, so from here we do the calculation. Press the calculator. 10 C9 times 0.4 power to 9 and then 0.6 power to 1. Okay, so here is 0.001573. Then another one, 10 C10, then bracket 0.4 power to 10, 0.9, 0.6 power to 0. Okay, ini dapat 0.0001049. Then kita tambahkan 0.001678. So this is the probability that 9 people or 10 people wearing glasses. More than 8 people lah. Okay, and then number 2. If the standard deviation, okay, remember standard deviation actually adalah square root of NPQ. Square root of NPQ is equals to 12. So can you find the number of students? Maksudnya dia nak kamu cari bilangan which is N. Maksudnya N tu bukan 10. N is not 10 already. Okay, so P, you know already. P is what? 0.4. Q is what? Q is 0.6. So move the square root to the right side. So sini 0.4 times 0.6 is 0.24 and 12 squared 144. So N is 144 bahagi 0.24. So it's 600. Okay, 600 orang. If this one you don't know, you just refer to the formula list. Formula list got mentioned for you the standard deviation punya formula related with NPQ and mean also. Okay, then B pula. In an archery training center, there are 120 trainers having a test. Okay, actually Melayu dekat bawah sini lah. Okay, tapi saya tak tengok lah. Okay, kita ada 120 orang. And then normal distribution with the mean. Okay, ini mean dia bagi. They give you the mean. And they give you the N. They give you the variance. Variance means standard square. So they say the trainer who obtain more than K score will enter competition. Okay, so they say that the trainer is chosen at random. Find his score if he obtain 72 score for the test. Okay, maksud dia nak nilai Z. Kalau dia punya markah adalah 72. So means you just need to convert X to Z. Okay, kalau lupa tengok formula list. Okay, sini ada cikgu bagi ya. Z is equals to X minus mean over standard. Okay, tapi dia bagi variance, bukan standard. So nak cari standard, kamu kena square root. Square root the 25. Okay, so X is 72. Minus mean 55 over standard. Standard adalah punca kuasa variance. So what do you get here? .4. Okay, ini adalah nilai Z. Okay, soalan ini dia cuma nak testing kamu pandai tak guna ini formula. So kamu kena ingat, ini simbol adalah mean. Simbol ini adalah standard. Okay, then if 18.5% trainers are chosen to enter the competition, can you find the value of K? Okay, value of the K is what? K value is the minimum value to enter the competition. Okay, markah yang paling kecil. So, dia sudah cakap kan, hanya lebih daripada K boleh masuk dalam pertandingan. Kalau kurang tak boleh. So, kita kena tular K kepada Z dulu. Okay, so we can say Z is more than what? K minus mean 55 over the variance 5. Saya terus over the standard Saya terus punca kuasakan And then dia cakap dia punya kebarangkalian adalah 18.5%. So means 0.185. Dan macam mana kita nak buat pula? How we do? Using the table I could give you table or not. 0.185. Kamu kena guna 0.185. I think I didn't give you table. Okay, kamu kena guna sendiri punya table ataupun yang dekat buku teks pun boleh 0.185. Okay, find a table first. Okay, so this is a table. Kita nak cari 0.185. Where is 0.185? Okay, sini saya dapat 0.1841. And then sini dapat 0.1867. 0.185. Kita kena guna inilah. Tapi kita kena tolak we need to minus. Is it? We need to minus by what? Kamu kena kira macam ni. Okay, saya tunjuk sini 1867. I want to change to 185. So, kamu tolak sini. Sini 7. 6 tolak 5, 1. So, I need to minus 17. But here we don't have 17. Kita tak ada 17. So, kita boleh tolak 16. Okay, we can minus 16 Okay, 0.185. So, here is 0.89 4 1 8 5 0.185 4 1 8 5 0.185 4 1 8 5 0.185 4 1 8 5 0.185 4 1 8 5 0.185 4 1 8 5 0.1 8 5 4 1 8 5 0.1 8 5 4 1 8 5 0.1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 8 5 4 1 Okay, 0.896. Sini saya pergi ke 0.89. Okay, means that from the table, the Z is 0.8. 869 ke 896? 896. Okay, 896. Dapat 0.185 kan? 186 lah. 185 lah. Ya, 185. Okay, so sekarang kita boleh samakan dia. 0.896 actually is equals to this one. This is K minus 55 over 5. So nak cari K, just pindah saja. 0.896 times 5. Then tambah 55. 59.48. So your K value 59.48. Okay, darab dulu 5, lepas tu tambah 55. So minimum 59.48 lah. Baru kita boleh masuk dalam pertandingan. Bukan minimum, mesti melebihi ini markah. So I think 60 baru boleh masuk lah. Okay, then next kita pergi soalan seterusnya. Okay, ini adalah circular measure. Like what I said previously, ini mesti keluar punya. So kamu kena hafalkan macam mana kita buat ataupun faham macam mana kita buat. Actually dua formula sajalah. Okay, let's see the question. Diagram 8 shows two sectors. QPV is a sector of a circle with center P and radius 8 cm. And then SWT is a sector of a circle with center W and a radius 10 cm. Okay, radius kita label dulu QPV radius 8. QPV radius 8. Okay, sudah bagi. And then SWT jejari 10. SWT jejari 10. Okay, sini total 10 Okay, and then PQ selari dengan WS. PQ is parallel with WS. Okay, they label for us already. And the arc length of ST is 7. Okay, arc length sudah bagi. It is the arc length they give you already. And then what else? Okay, use pi 3.142. Given that the area of PQRSTUV. PQRSTUV. Okay, the whole diagram area is 63.88. Can you calculate the angle of delta and correct it to 3 decimal places? Cari nilai delta dan bentuk kepada 3 tempat perpuluhan. Delta dekat sini Okay, how to find the delta? We need to use this one. I think we need to use this one. Luas keseluruhan. Okay, so kalau kamu nampak, actually sini adalah tempat yang overlap. Ada 2 kali punya. Okay, it's an overlap area. So maybe later you need to find out without this area. Okay, so how is it? Okay, I think we need to find the angle over here first. Can we find this angle? I think we can find the angle of SWT kan? Okay, arc length. Arc length is S equals to R delta. Dalam radian punya, R delta in radian. So arc length is 7. And then jejari dia 10. Kan? Jejari dia 10. Then delta kamu kena cari. So actually delta tu 7 bagi 10 lah. Dapat delta. So is 0.7. Radian. Okay, so sini sudah dapat. Kita labelkan dulu. 0.7. Ini untuk SWT So mungkin dalam exam kamu kena tulis ini. SWT adalah 0.7 radian. If not, they thought you are finding for QPV punya. Okay, lepas tu kita nak cari apa lagi? We are going to find the angle. Okay, sini anda dia bagi. Oh, one more thing I saw it already. Nampak tak parallel line? This and this are parallel. Kalau parallel maksudnya, kamu boleh guna F. The angle over here and the angle over here actually are equal. So you just need to plus 0.7 and 25. If you minus with 180, means you want to find here, is it? Kamu nak cari sini, lepas tu cari ini angle. Boleh juga? Can also. Just that longer way lah. So another one, actually kamu boleh cakap delta tu, delta, angle of delta is equal to 0.7 radian plus 25 degree. Then I need to change degree go back to radian because they want in radian modes. They're not radian. So how to change degree to radian? You need to divide 180. Divide 180 times pi. Pi is 3.142. Okay, so kirakan kamu akan terus dapat answer. 1.1363 radian. Okay, sama dengan ini 2 tambah sebab dia selari parallel. Okay, after that, let's see B. Find the perimeter of the QPV. Cari perimeter QPV. Okay, QPV punya perimeter sini sudah dapat 8. This is 8. And then sini pun of course 8 lah. Then kamu kena cari dia punya arc length. Okay, arc length for QPV. So arc length actually using S equals to R delta saja. So S is equals to R. R is 8. Or I don't say S lah. I say QRUV. QRUV sama dengan R delta. R delta. R is 8. Delta is 1.1363. So kirakan 9.09. 9.0904. Ini 1 point, ini 3 decimal saja kan? Forget already. 3 decimal already. 1.136 times 8. 9.088 cm. So total perimeter, the perimeter for the sector radius 8 plus 8 tambah dia punya arc length. So it's 25.088 cm. Okay, then we do question C. Find the area of the shaded region. Cari luas shaded region sini. Okay, how you are going to find it? Any idea? Since they told you already, the total area is 63.88. So actually total area means that saya cari PQ, PQRUV, this one, and then plus dengan WRSTQ, this one, and then I need to minus the shaded region. Baru saya dapat whole diagram area. Kenapa saya nak tolak yang shaded region? Sebab sini sudah double kali, double you count it. So you need to minus the one that double. Sebab dia overlap sudah, 2 kali sudah overlap. So I write like this. So the area, the whole diagram area, area of whole diagram, area of the whole diagram actually is equals to the area of PQRUV, okay, plus the area of WRSTU. Then minus the area of shaded region. Okay, ini dia konsep. So kita kena cari dulu whole diagram that we get ready. So to find shaded region, Maksudnya ini 2 tambah dan tolak area of whole diagram. Okay, so to find shaded region, I think I put in first. Whole diagram they give us is 63.88. 63.88. Then PQRS, PQRUV. Ini adalah guna 1/2 pi R, 1/2 R square delta. Okay, guna formula ini. So, R sudah dapat 8. Dan delta pun sudah dapat. Tadi dapat 1.136. Dan tambah lagi yang ini WRSTU. So WRSTU 1/2, radius is 10, then the angle is 0.7 minus the area of shaded region. So kita nak cari shaded region. I think I fill in first. Okay, cari ini nilai dia. 1/2 times 8 square times 1.136. So it's 36.352. And then second one, 1/2 times 10 square, then times 0.7, 35. Then minus the shaded region. So shaded region, I move to the left side. Area of shaded region actually is equal to 36.352 plus 35 minus 63.88. So is berapa kamu dapat? 7.472 cm square. Of course, you can split one by one. Kamu boleh cari ini dulu, cari ini, baru masuk dalam formula ini. Okay, ini kita sudah siap. Kita pergi soalan seterusnya. Soalan 9. Okay, soalan 9 ini adalah geometric coordinate. So, sini tengok dulu soalan. Diagram 9 shows 2 triangle. Ada 2 segitiga. Then QR is x minus y plus 6. Sini QR. And then QRS is 90 degree. Okay, kita label dulu. QRS is over here. This is 90 degree. And then they ask you to find value of H. Cari nilai H. Okay, how to find value of H? Okay, since they give you 90 already kan, QR ada bagi. Boleh tak kita cari RS? I think we can find RS, right? And then can we find coordinate R also? I think we can find coordinate R also. And then kita boleh cari nilai H. Okay, so let's do first. Okay, kita guna QR-nya. QR, they give you x minus y plus 6 equals to 0. I will rearrange. I want to find y equals to what? So, negative y pindah ke kanan. So, jadi y equals to x plus 6. Then from here, do you know what is a coordinate R? Coordinate R actually adalah pintasan y. It's y-intercept. So, from here, y-intercept is 6. So, R actually is 6. Okay, you should know R is 6. So 0, 6. X kosong, Y 6. And then dia bagi tahu QR and RS is 90 degree. So means it's perpendicular. So kalau perpendicular maksudnya MQR darab gradient for RS actually is negative 1. Yes, they are negative 1. Then do you know what is the gradient for QR? From here, y equals to mx plus c. So m is 1. So kalau QR adalah 1. So what is the
M for RS, negative 1, no? Kan? M for RS is negative 1. Okay, so can we find S? S coordinate actually adalah pintasan X. It's X-intercept. So X-intercept, you can use the formula with X-intercept. Kamu guna ini. Negative Y-intercept over X-intercept. Okay, so M is what? M is negative 1 for RS punya. Then RS punya Y-intercept adalah 6. Okay, because they pass through at here, 6. Then kamu nak cari X-intercept. X-intercept pass through paksi X is H. So kamu boleh cari nilai H. Negatif saya potong, and then H darab 1, so H is 6. Faham sini ya? Kamu kena ingat kalau perpendicular darab gradient dia dapat negative 1. And then this is also one of the formula.
If you don't want to use this formula, you can use y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 juga. Sama. Okay, next one. The coordinate of t where qt to qs is 3, 4. qt, qs is 3, 4. qt is 3, qs is 4. So ts berapa? Kalau qs adalah 4, tapi qt adalah 3. Yes, it's 1. Sini 1. Okay, so
Kamu kena buat, kamu kena cari T. Saya ganti dulu S punya koordinat H6, Y dia kosong. Pintasan X, Y kosong So you just use what? Q punya darab 1, S punya
darab 3 bahagi 4. Okay, not difficult lah. So T punya, okay, kita cari X dulu koordinat X. Q punya X darab 1. S punya X 6 darab 3 bahagi 4. Then Y pula. Q punya Y. Q punya Y 4 darab 1. And then tambah S punya Y 0 darab 3 bahagi 4. Okay, then you can find for your T already. Okay, darab silang saja. Okay, so we find our T. Okay, kirakan yang ini dulu. Negatif 2 darab 1 tambah 18 bagi 4. Okay, you get 4. Then cari yang Y pula. Cari yang Y punya. You will get 1. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, habis.
Okay, so ini pun siap. Next, kita buat yang ketiga. Cari luas rantau berlorek. Find the area of the shaded region. Macam tak ada shaded region. Rantau berlorek. Shaded region. Kita tak nampak shaded region. Mungkin, wait, I check first. Okay, T is 41, I label dulu. Maybe when I screenshot ini ataupun paper ini, dia tak berapa clear untuk shaded region. Check a while. Okay, the shaded region is over here. You guys shade yourself. Lorekkan sendiri. So this is a triangle. Okay, so triangle, I'm going to find the shaded region. You just need to use 1/2, then modulus. Okay, tak kisah triangle ke apa ke, kita guna cara ini juga. Okay, area of the shaded region. You just need to use 1/2 dan modulus. Dalam modulus kena ada 4 koordinat. Okay, so let's say saya label P dulu, -4, -2. And then saya label Q, -2, 4. And then label T, 4 and 1. and then label P lagi. -4, -2. Okay, so 1/2 modulus. Di sini macam mana? Saya akan tambahkan yang ke kanan dulu. Okay, draw for you like this. So means that -4 times 4 plus -2 times 1 plus 4 times -2. Lepas tu saya akan tolak yang ke kiri. Okay, tolak yang ke kiri punya. Yang merah punya. So minus -2 times -2 minus 4 times 4 minus -1 times 1 and -4 times 1. Then you will get answer. So modulus means I will make all the negative answer become positive answer. So inside the modulus, what you get? Okay, count first. You get 10. I get -42. You count again. So -42, because modulus is will become positive 42. So 1/2 times 42, I get 21. Okay, you may count again. Okay, next. Kita pergi ke soalan B. In a special condition, R is a moving point. Okay, ini dia nak cari locus. So, this one, dia cakap R adalah moving point. Means R is X and Y. X, Y. Okay. Then they say, how they move? They're moving always, QRS is 90 degree. So, QRS. Oh, R is a moving point. So, means R is not fixed here. R bukan tetap sini punya. Mungkin dia akan bergerak. Tapi macam mana dia bergerak? Dia sentiasa 90 degree antara Q dan juga S. Apa maksud sentiasa 90 degree? Maksudnya, kalau 90 degree always remember, if 90 degree, here and here, the gradient is always what? Always when they times, they get -1. Yes. So if let's say the R move here, so maybe R move here also, but here is 90 also. So QR times RS also -1, or they move here. So QR and RS also -1, or they will move here. QR and RS -1. Okay. So macam mana dia bergerak ni? Okay, I copy down Q and R punya coordinate dulu. Q is -2 and 4. S is 6 and 0. Then sebab R is a moving point. So R don't have coordinate. R is X, Y. Okay, so now I'm going to find the locus where QR and RS is 90 degree, always 90 degree. So means that gradient of QR times gradient of RS is always -1. So kita cari dulu gradient for QR. Okay, QR punya dulu. Y2 minus Y1. So 4 minus Y ataupun Y minus 4 lah. Okay, Y minus 4. Then X minus -2. So X plus 2 lah. Then RS pula. RS. So Y minus 0. Y minus 0. And then X minus 6. Okay, kamu boleh buat apa? Atas darab atas, bawah darab bawah. Dapat -1. Okay, so Y, actually ini minus 0 kamu boleh delete lah. Like this, Y saja. So Y times Y, Y square. -4 times Y, -4Y. Bawah darab bawah, so X times X, X square. x times -6, -6x. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times -6, -12 equals to -1. Okay, lepas tu, okay, what you need to do is
The bottom must go up. Kalau pecahan, bawah punya mesti naik atas. So y square minus 4y is equals to -1. Ini semua saya naik atas. So x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12. Okay, so open the bracket. Negative x square
plus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Okay, kasih kembangkan lagi. Negative x square, 6x minus 2x is 4x. Okay, semua pindah ke kiri ya. All move to the left side. Y square minus 4y plus x square minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, so this is your answer. Of course, if you want to rearrange also can. Rearrange means saya letakkan x square dulu. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 12.
Susun dia XY, XY nombor. Okay, X, Y, nombor. Okay, so this is the tips for if the question asks you 90 degree. Okay, next one kita pergi soalan seterusnya. Soalan 10. Okay, diagram 10A shows the side elevation of a metal container without cover. The inner surface of the container can be represented by the quadratic equation y equals to 2x squared plus 1. The height of the container is 9 cm. Okay, so sini dia bagi sudah. I think we label first. Y equals to 2x squared plus 1 is for the curve. Okay, untuk curve ini ya. Untuk curve ini. Then tinggi dia 9. Okay, then we continue. Find the volume of the metal needed to make the container. Volume of the metal. Volume of the metal. Okay, so kalau dia nak volume of the metal, this is a metal container without cover. The inner surface of the container, the height of the container, they ask you to make the container.
Okay, so if they ask you to find volume, volume of the metal. Okay, I think we need to do what? We need to find the 3D punya dulu.
Ini punya. Actually, you know what is the shape or not? If you spin it in 3D, do you know what is the shape? Is it cube or is it cylinder? You know cylinder or cube? This is actually cylinder. How I know? If you spin like this, dia adalah cylinder.
Okay, actually it's a cylinder lah. So, how is the volume of the metal? How much is the volume you needed?
You need to find volume of cylinder. After that, you need to find the volume of the empty space. Then you minus it, then you can get the metal volume. Okay, so you need to find two things. One is the volume of cylinder, one is the volume of the empty space.
Okay, cylinder dulu. Volume of the cylinder. I don't know the length. Sini panjang berapa. But let's say I draw a paksi X, paksi Y sini. Ini paksi X. Okay, paksi X is plus 1 mah. Plus 1, so maksudnya sini adalah begitu punya.
Okay. So, the height is 9. Okay lah, saya tahu 9. Tapi kamu tahu tak dia punya jari berapa? How to find the radius? I think we need to find these two things also. These two things. Ini dua benda. Okay, what is the reading of this one and this one? Okay, so how to find it? Y equals to 2x squared plus 1. We need to do bukan simultaneous, pemfaktoran. Cari dulu plus 1. When the height is 9,
what is the value of here? So when the y is 9, when y is 9, we find the x. Okay, so carikan x. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 equals to 2x squared. 8 divided 2 is 4. 4 equals to x squared. 2 and negative 2. Yes, punca kuasa. So plus 2. Okay, so maksudnya, I think I draw using my pen first. Okay, so this point actually is negative 2. Then this point actually is 9. 2. 2 and positive 2. Negative 2, positive 2. So actually cylinder punya diameter berapa? From here to here, how much? So this is 2, definitely this is 3 lah. 3 kan? Sini 3, sini negative 3. So the radius actually is 3 3 je cari dia. So to find volume of cylinder, you can just use pi r square h. So pi is what? Pi is 22/7. R dia berapa? 3 loh. Okay, je cari dia 3. Tinggi dia berapa? 9. So you just count it. Okay, so you should get here. Okay, the pi you can ignore lah kalau kamu tak mau letak, but you want to put also can lah. Okay, so here, did they give you pi here? Oh, they didn't give you. Okay, kalau dia tak bagi, tak payahlah. We just put it pi saja. Unless they give you the pi, because pi not necessary is 22/7. Okay, so 3 square times 9 is 81 pi. Okay, volume of cylinder is 81 pi. Then I need to find the volume of the empty space. Yeah, empty punya. So empty punya actually is revolve around the curve. So is it they are, you want to find the volume that revolve around the paksi y ataupun paksi x? Which one you want to find? Paksi y or paksi x? You want to spin around paksi y. Okay, kamu nak cari luas yang dalam berputar pada paksi y punya. So paksi y means you need to find dx or dy. You need to find for dy. Okay, so in here is x squared. Ingat kalau berputar pada paksi y, dy. Kalau berputar pada paksi x, dx. So let's go back to the equation here. Y is equals to 2x squared plus 1, right? So what is x squared? You need to find x squared. So y minus 1 is equals to 2x squared. So x squared equals to y minus 1 divided by 2. This is x squared. So kamu masukkan ini ke dalam sini. Pi. And then here you need to put x squared is y minus 1 over 2 dy. Since dy you're going to find 2 coordinate. Satu coordinate adalah sini punya. Dari bawah hingga atas. Okay, paling atas 9 lah. I know this is 9. Then I don't know this one. So how to find this one? Ini adalah pintasan y. When x is 0, what is your y? Is 1. Okay, when x is 0, y is 1. So you want to find the volume is between 1 to 9. 1 hingga 9. Means that I'm going to put here 1 to 9. Okay, so this is pi. Okay, the over 2 you can bring in front. So tinggal y saja. So y minus 1. So y square minus y. From 1 to 9. 1 to 9.
So pi over 2. Here you are going to put when it's 9 square minus 9, and then minus 1 square minus 1.
Okay, so kirakan. So here is 72. 1 square minus 1 is 0. Okay, so 72 divided by 2, you get 36. So yang empty punya actually is 36 pi. Is it? Did I count wrongly? If I count wrongly, please tell teacher.
Oh, I forget one thing lah. Ayo, I forget y square divide 2, right? Forget this one Jangan kamu lupa macam cikgu. Okay, when you integrate, kuasa tambah 1 kena bahagi kuasa lagi. So this one is 9 square divide 2 minus 9. So here is the 31.5 minus 1 square divide 2 minus 1. So it's negative 0.5.
So answer should be 16. Okay, tambah bahagi 2 lagi. So 32 divide 2, 16. Then the volume of the metal is what? Volume of the metal required is a cylinder punya volume tolak empty punya volume. So cylinder is 81 pi minus empty side 16 pi. So we count it. 81 minus 16. 65 pi. Okay. Okay, so actually soalan macam ni kan mesti keluar punya. Then macam mana kamu kena buat? Yang satu, normally they will give you prism or cylinder or sphere or whatever lah, okay? So ini kamu boleh guna normal punya geometric formula, pi r square lah, forward 3 pi r cube untuk sphera lah, ataupun trapezium punya luas darab panjang ke, atau kubus, cube, but normally is cylinder lah. Then minus the empty. So yang ini normally adalah integration. So kamu kena tengok kalau dia berputar pada paksi y, dy. So dalam x square. Kalau berputar pada paksi x macam ni, atas bawah punya itu adalah dx, tapi dalam y square. Okay, so next kita continue soalan B pula. Okay, can you show the straight line intersect the curve at point P? Okay, okay, so sini ada dua equation. Dia nak kamu cari point P, is it? Oh, no. Oh, find the value of H. Find the value of H. Okay, H is point P lah. So you need to do simultaneous. Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. So you can find your y first. Ataupun tak perlu lah, tak perlu. Find y first. Can also. Either you find y first and then you equal with this one. Okay, let's say find y. So I move negative 3y to the right side. Sini tinggal 2x plus 6 is equals to 3y. So nak cari y, semua bahagi 3. So y is equals to 2 per 3x plus 2. Semua bahagi 3. Then second equation is this one. Y equals to 4 over x minus 2 square. This is the second one. Atas punya adalah first one. Okay, what you do? You equal the first and the second one. 2 per 3x plus 2 is equals to 4 over x minus 2 square. Okay, the first and second, kamu equalkan dia. Okay, lepas kamu equalkan, kamu boleh cari x. How you do? You can bring the bottom to the left side. Okay, bawakan itu ke TV. Wait. Cikgu terfikir satu benda. Why we going to do this one? They already give us 4 is y, right? Why don't we directly put here? Ayo. Okay, so sorry. Kalau dua-dua tak bagi, baru guna simultaneous, persamaan serentak. Tapi kalau dia bagi sudah y 4, you just put in here y lah. 2x minus 3y. Y is 4. Okay, plus 6 equals to 0. So 2x minus 12 plus 6 equals to 0. Then you can find 2x is equals to negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. Move to the right side becomes 6. So x is equals to 3. So h is 3. Okay, kamu tak perlu buat persamaan serentak kalau sudah bagi salah satu x ataupun y. If given one of it, no need to do simultaneous. Simultaneous is only if both not given. Okay, next. Find the area of the shaded region. Cari luas rantau yang berlorek. So, ini adalah berkaitan dengan integration also. Then you can actually see here you get two parts. Sini ada dua parts. Can see or not? This is area 1 is actually a trapezium. Area 2 is area under the curve. Under the curve. Okay, so let's see about this. H is 3. So sini 3. So 0 to 3, 3 to 5. Okay, kamu boleh integrate straight line punya equation from 0 to 3 and then integrate the curve from 3 to 5. Or for easy, you see this is a trapezium, right? Why not we directly find trapezium? Okay, so sini adalah 3. This is 3. Then sini adalah 4. This is 4. Then you just need to find this coordinate. Apakah coordinate ini? When x is 0. So you just put in lah. When x is 0, what is your y? Okay, saya masukkan x kosong. Negative 3y plus 6 equals to 0. So 3y is equals to 6. 2. Yes, y is equals to 2. So sini adalah 2. Tinggi dia adalah 2. So 2, 4, 3. Then trapezium area 1 punya, you just need to use formula trapezium. 2 plus 4 times 3. So you get here 9. Okay. Then area 2 saja kamu kena guna integration. So you need to do integration only. From 3 to 5. Dari 3 hingga 5. Then we are using x. So ini adalah dx. So dx you need to use y. Guna ini 4 over x minus 2 square. Okay, for square punya, don't forget to bring up. Kamu kena naik atas dulu. Sebab dia di bawah. Kalau atas, okay lah. Ini 4 x minus, actually 4 you can bring outside also. Asalkan nombor letak luar. So here you left x minus 2 power to negative 2. Okay, so this is 4. Let's integrate for this one. How you integrate? This need to plus 1. So x minus 2, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. And then over what? Over the power, negative 1. And then don't forget, you need to differentiate x minus 2, put it here. Tapi differentiate divide dx ini masih satu lah. Okay, so we just put here 3. Okay, kita masukkan 3 dan 5 sudah. Okay, you try put in. When x is 5, what you get? Negative 1 per 3. Then minus when x is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 power to negative 1 over negative 1, you get masih negative 1. Okay, this one you need to try
put yourself lah. Tekan calculator saja. Masukkan 5, masukkan 3. So negative 1 per 3 plus 1, you get 2 per 3. So darabkan
8 per 3. Okay, ini adalah area 2 saja. So total area guna area 1, 9 plus area 2, 8 per 3. So you should get here
35 per 3. Okay, so kita sudah siap. Then soalan 11. Okay, I think soalan 11 saya akan bincang next time, boleh? Okay, sebab 11 agak panjang juga. So 11 dan juga section C, I will discuss until next video. So thank you class. Bye bye.